So today we went on a really fun nature walk to Wells State Park. We've been there in 2 other of our vlogs, and it's just a really fun place to film. There's lots of fun scenery. So we went there again today, and I brought my new camera, the Lumix G7, which I'm filming on right now. It is an amazing camera. I hope you guys really enjoy the beautiful quality it brings. So let's go to it. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
We're having fun. What do you see?
You.
Me? Do you see any nature? Do you see a pond over there? What do you see? A pond?
Lily pad.
Ooh, lily pads. A tree. So we just hit our 2-year mark of being on YouTube. It has been so fun. We have loved making content for you guys, and we're definitely going to make more in the future. But we were just wondering what your favorite video has been over the last 2 years. Let us know by sending us an email. The email will be in the description box below, and let us know what your favorite video is. We'd love to know so we can make more content that you guys love.
Thanks for watching. Bye.